Hey, my name is Ty, and I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule a live stream on YouTube, whether you're on your mobile device or on your desktop. Now, we're going to start with mobile first, and I'm going to show you the complete process for how to schedule it and then how to go live just from your smartphone. Step one is in your smartphone, you're going to want to obviously open up the YouTube application. Once you're in the YouTube app, you're just going to click on the little plus right there on the bottom middle. And that's going to pull you into a new screen that's essentially going to ask you if you want to post a video, a short, a live, or a community post. For me, it's already defaulted to live, so just make sure that's selected. From here, you're going to see several other options. This icon right here lets you adjust your orientation, meaning if you want to stream vertically or horizontally, you can pick that. And then finally up here at the top, you'll see the little calendar icon. And this is important because this will show you if and when you have a future scheduled live stream. Right now, it's completely blank because we haven't set one up yet. So let me show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the little pencil icon right here on the bottom right. This is going to let you edit the details of your live stream. You'll obviously want to give it a title. For our purposes here in the demo, we're just going to do test mobile. And then I'm just going to adjust my visibility to unlisted because I don't actually want to go live. Now here you can put in if it's for kids, if you want to go live together, meaning if you want to pull a guest into your live stream, just know that if you do that, it's going to be a vertical live and not horizontal. Here's where you can adjust your description, location, and then finally this option right here, schedule for later. This is the important one. This is the one that when you toggle it on, you're going to get an option for the day and the time. So let's just pick Friday and we'll just do 3 o'clock and we'll do PM and we're good to go. So what this will effectively do is let us schedule this for a few days out at the right day and time. Now there's some more advanced settings right here that has to do with your chat, reactions, and monetization. So you can play with those as you see fit. You'll hit next just a few times, and then eventually you'll get to a screen where it'll say either go live or done. Now here, you may want to click in and add your thumbnail. But if you're ready to go, you can just click done, and that will effectively save that live stream for the day and time that you've scheduled it for. Now you'll notice again on the top right here, the little calendar icon now has a notification, and this is going to show us that we have an upcoming live stream scheduled for June 20th at 3 p.m. So that's 3 days from now. If you want to delete it, you can click the little trash icon right here. If you want to click into it and adjust some of the details, again, the thumbnail, you can do that all right from here. So that's how you would do it from your smartphone, assuming you want to do a live stream specifically on your smartphone. Let me show you the process for how to do that on PC. So when you have your YouTube Studio up on the screen, the first thing you're going to want to do is on the top right, there's this little button that says Go Live. Press that, and don't worry, you're not actually going to go live. This is just where you can set up your live stream for either going live now in the moment or for scheduling it. So if you want to schedule it, you'll see the icon right here. It says schedule stream. You'll click on that. And then if you've done a previous live stream, it's going to prompt you to say, hey, do you want to use all of the previous settings from your last live stream for this upcoming one? And if you want to, you certainly can pick from any of your previous live streams, or you can just do all the settings brand new from scratch. For purposes of this demo, we will just use reuse settings from my last live stream. Now, again, you're going to want to include a title. For our purposes here, since we're doing a demo, we're just going to do test PC. And then here's where you can adjust your description. It's going to pull in all of your upload defaults if you have that set up. And then obviously you want to pick your category. If you're going to do streaming software like a third-party platform like Ecamm or StreamYard or Riverside, or if you're just going to use the native YouTube application using your webcam. And then of course you can pick your thumbnail, your playlist, so on and so forth. A lot of these settings are going to be very similar to you if you've uploaded long-form videos. Now there will be one screen that looks just like this. That's going to be live stream specific settings. And this has to do with the live chat, participant mode, reactions, and things like that. I like to have the live chat enabled and the live chat replay also enabled. And then I like to make my participant mode set up for anyone at the moment. However, if you're a bigger channel and you get a lot of people, and maybe you get people who are trolling you, you might want to make it subscribers or members only, depending on your preferences. As you continue through, you're going to click next. And then again, I'm going to make mine unlisted because I don't actually want to go live. We'll schedule it for Thursday at 10:15 in the morning. We're going to click done. And then this will effectively schedule it out 2 days from now. Once you see this screen, you know it's been scheduled. And the way to verify that is coming back into your YouTube Studio. You can click into content. and then you can click into live. And what you're going to see in this view is all of the previous live streams down here, but you're also going to see any upcoming scheduled live stream that you've already scheduled. You'll see in my case, because we've done one on the mobile device, we have our upcoming test mobile, which is a mobile only live stream. And then we have the test PC one, which is the one that we just made. You can see my thumbnail that it pulled forward from my previous live streams. And you'll see also streaming software is the type. So that's pretty much it. That's the quick and dirty on how to get a live stream scheduled on both a mobile device and on your desktop, depending on your preferences for how you want to host it. If you guys have any thoughts, questions, or anything that I missed, please feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this was helpful, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.